How to manage email notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage email notifications on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and then just go down until you find here notifications, and go down again until you find email. And as you see here, you can manage email notifications, and then just manage anything you want and go back, and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.